This video will show you how to create a practice in WaveLineup and the different aspects of administering a practice in WaveLineup. To create a practice, go to our application URL and click on the button at the top of the screen that says Create My Practice. Once there, enter your practice name, select your time zone, enter your email address, password, and password confirmation, and fill in the CAPTCHA information. You should receive a notice that says your practice was successfully created and that you should check your email for the activation link. Your email should contain a message, something to this effect. Go to the link and you should be successfully logged into the system and be told your account has been activated. If you're at all compulsive like I can sometimes be, you can log out and log back in using the email and password you just created just to verify that everything works as it should. And that's all there is to creating a practice. Moving on to administrative features, the first thing I'll mention is the feedback support dialog. This can be used to request help or to give us feedback on what could be improved or new features or any other message you'd like to send to us. The next feature is the Edit Practice feature, and you can use this to change your practice name, time zone, and to manage users. You can add users and delete users. To create a new user, click on New User, enter an email address and password information. Once you create the user, they'll receive a link in their email which they'll have to follow to activate their user before using the system. They'll also be able to change their password if they desire. Another thing we believe in very much is that you should own your own data. We included an export option. When you click this button, you'll be able to export the data from your practice in the system to an XML file. The data will include all of your practice members, all of your visits, and all of the travel cards. XML is a standard format which can be potentially read programmatically by other systems. And this concludes our section on administrative features of WaveLineup. I encourage you to look at our other videos that we have posted, especially the one which is entitled WaveLineup, a community-driven system. And the reason being is that the life of this system, its future expansion, really its survival depends on you and on referring other practitioners. Given that the network community is not very large, there may be somewhere between 300 and 500 active practitioners. For WaveLineup to be able to survive long term, we need to get a good percentage of practitioners using the system. Doesn't mean, I'm not thinking like 100%, I'm thinking way less than 50%, but a good percentage would be very important to us. And there's some very exciting features which I'll talk about in that video that we could get to in the future with your help.